Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Let's create a beautiful dot mandala with brush strokes and our usual patterns with shades of brown. I'll dot in the center with gold. I will dot with flush tint. Now I'll keep tiny dots in flush tint. Now I'll keep some dots in light brown. I created this light brown shade by mixing brown and white. I'll keep tiny dots now. I'll keep brown dots now. I'll keep tiny dots in brown. It may not be visible so clearly on the video. I'll keep some light brown dots now. I'll keep some flush tint dots. I'll keep two side swipes in flush tint. I'll keep some light brown dots. Now I'll keep some flush tint dots. I'll keep tiny dots in flush tint. Now I'll keep light brown dots. Now I'll keep tiny dots in light brown. Now I'll keep brown dots. I'll keep tiny dots in brown. Now some golden dots. Now I'll keep some more golden dots. Now some flush tint dots. I'll work the dots in flush tint. Now I'll keep some brown dots. I'll keep some light brown dots. I'll work the dots in light brown. I'll work the dots in brown. I'll keep two side swipes and light brown using brush. I'll keep two more side swipes and flush tint using brush. I'm going to fix some mirrors, so let me put some Fevicol first. I'm placing round mirrors. Now I'll fix eye-shaped mirrors. I'll keep some golden dots now. I'll keep flushed in dots. I'll keep two side swipes and flush tint. I'll keep brown dots now. I'll keep some light brown dots. I'll keep two side swipes and light brown now. I'll keep two side swipes in brown using brush now. I'll fix the mirrors, so I'll put Fevicol first. I'll fix the mirrors now. I'll again fix some mirrors, so I'll put Fevicol first. I'll fix the mirrors now. I'll keep some flush tint dots. I'll work the dots in flush tint. I'll keep some brown dots now. I'll keep some light brown dots. I'll work the dots in light brown. I'll keep 2 side swipes in brown using brush. I'll keep 2 more side swipes in light brown. I'll keep 2 side swipes in flush tint using brush. Now I'll keep 2 golden swipes using brush. I'll keep some light brown dots. I'm sure this brownie dot mandala came out really well. Thank you for watching this video.